Hello people, my name is Abhi Pandey and I'm the tutor of the day. So guys, today we're going to talk about the very important topic that is called how to speak English. Most of the people are really frustrated about English. I don't know why in India especially. They're so frustrated. Actually, they want it so badly, so desperately because it is their need. It is important and indeed it is. So the question is how to learn English. Guys, many years back in 1975, there was a scientist. His name was Stephen Krashen. He developed a theory over spoken English. He says that two things are important: reading and listening. What to read and what to listen. That's the point. Guys, read something that you understand, not beyond your level. Read something that you understand, not beyond your level. Read very easy books like first class, second class, nursery class if you don't understand, KG class. But try to understand the story, not completely, but at least 60 or 70%. That will be fine, that will be okay. But read constantly on the daily basis. Read every day a story. And don't read for learning. Just read for fun and just to understand the story. Got it? And the next term is listening. Now, the problem is what to listen. Guys, you can listen to anything that you understand. Once again, understanding is the key. Got it? If you understand, if you listen to something that you are not able to understand, I have seen a lot of people, they say listen to English songs. What if we don't understand it? And why to listen to that stuff that we don't understand? So, listen to something that you understand. Like any animated video on YouTube or kind of any podcast on YouTube, or me. If you understand me, my English is not so difficult. Got it? Just try to understand me. Got it? Guys, two things are important: listening and reading. As far as spoken English is concerned, so that is a result. That is a result. If you are not able to speak good English, don't be frustrated. Over time, the more you practice, the more you develop your skill. Maybe after 1 year, maybe after 6 months, maybe after 7 months, you will be able to speak good English. And don't ever take tension that you are not learning something, you are not writing in the copy. Actually, guys, you are 2 steps ahead than writing or than learning. If you are learning subconsciously. If you are playing, you're not actually learning. If you're playing with English, you're trying to just understand the story. You're not trying to learn, actually. You're not trying to mug up. Got it? So guys, just try to read something. Just try to and just buy a book from anywhere, from a stationery or online if you want to read. Go read there. From there, you're going to learn English drastically. And research has proved it, guys. You're not the only one who is learning from this process. I hope most of the people from the world have learned English from this process. This is a natural process of learning any language. Most of the polyglot means those who speak a lot of languages, have got their language, acquired their language from this acquiring process. Subconscious learning. Playing with the language. Correct? As simple as that. There are a lot of celebrities that have learned English through this, the way we learn as a kid. When we are a kid, at that process we don't know what noun is, what subject is, what verb is. But then also we learn our native tongue. How? Because we listen, we observe. Observation is important. When you observe someone speaking, then you could copy that. You could imitate that technique, or you could apply, you could acquire that ability. It doesn't matter you speak wrong or right. Alright? The speaking is a result, I'm telling you. You have to follow the process. The process is reading and listening. The more you listen, the more you improve your skills, the more you acquire your skills. And one day, you will be the fluent English speaker in no time. Within 6 months, you can acquire so much compared to the people who are just learning the grammar for many years, but even then they are not able to speak good English. So guys, if you are in delusion, if you have rumor, if you have bad thought about English, just get out of it as soon as possible and just try to follow the process of natural learning. Read something or listen to someone or something. There are a lot of options, guys. If you want to listen, you can listen to radios. Radio jockey, they speak good English according to your level. Got it? If your level is high, you could listen to the radio jockey. You could listen to some great English speaker, TEDx. If your level is down, go and just listen to some animated cartoons. Learn from there. As simple as that. This is so simple, guys. Don't be frustrated. I'm telling you, it's as easy as that. You have to understand the root cause of a spoken English. And root cause is not writing in the copy or not translation. You have to listen. The more you listen, the more you observe. And the more you observe, the more you are learning subconsciously. You're not seem to be learning, but you are learning naturally. This is the process. Read as simple as you get. From anywhere. From anywhere. You can learn from anywhere according to your level. So guys, I hope you understood this. Guys, if you need some more advice over a language or something, you could directly contact me on my number, or you can make a comment below to make some more videos over some vocabulary or some structure if you're not able to understand. And so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. And happy learning, guys. Keep learning naturally. That's it for today. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.